Polling for the second phase of the Bihar Assembly elections is near close with over 3.7 crore voters set to decide the electoral fate of 1,302 candidates across 122 constituencies. By 3 p.m., a voter turnout of 60% was recorded as polling picked up pace in the key regions of Magad, Champaran and Simachal, areas widely seen as decisive in shaping the state's political outcome. The first phase, held on 6th of November, witnessed an impressive 65% turnout, setting high expectations for participation in this round. The contest has emerged as a high-stakes battle between the ruling NDA and the resurgent Mahagathbandhan, with both alliances eyeing the critical gains ahead of the final phase. The results of all phases of the Bihar Assembly elections will be announced in November 14th. Meanwhile, in light of the blast near Delhi's Red Fort yesterday, authorities in Bihar have placed the state on high alert. Security has been tightened across all districts. Let's go across and listen into some of the reactions coming in from the polling booths then.
We have with us Prashant Kishore, who is going to vote. Sir, anything and one message that you want to give to the voters today, sir?
Break the record of the first round.
Yes, sir.
Poll more than 65% vote. Vote for the change. Vote for the better Bihar.
Prashant, sir, I have been on the ground. People are talking about Jan Swaraj. We see massive support. But can that be converted into seats, sir? How do you see this?
You will see on 14th. The history will be written in Bihar.
Yes, sir.
And India will be witness to that history making.
So that was Prashant Kishore going to cast his vote and clearly saying that history will be created on 14th. So that is the confidence that Prashant Kishore has. So we have to wait and watch what exactly will pan out on 14th.
People are absolutely ready for a change. People watched the campaign of the Mahagathbandhan, people watched the campaign of the NDA, and they realized that the campaign of Mahagathbandhan was only talking about the actual issues of unemployment, of security, of what the traders face, what the farmers face. On the contrary, the Prime Minister's language was below average. I mean, in the sense that people were shocked that the Prime Minister can talk in this language, was something which Bihar is not willing to accept.
हम तो सलाह देंगे अमित भाई को जल्दी से कुछ इनको चुनाव प्रबंधन और चोरी प्रबंधन का एक मंत्रालय दे दीजिए जो भर जिंदगी चुनाव कराता है और इन्हें रिजाइन करना चाहिए या मंत्रालय बदल देना चाहिए।
बाबा बागेश्वर की सनातन हिंदू पदयात्रा कर रही है, फरीदाबाद में हिंदू पदयात्रा लाखों लोग उसमें एकत्रित। आपको क्या लगता है
सवाल
हो सकता है यात्रा टारगेट?
सवाल ही नहीं। देश आम आदमी की बात करिए ना, बाबा लोग की बातें करिए। बाबा लोग तो चाहे तो देश का कल्याण।
अच्छा, ये जो आतंकी अटैक हुआ, क्या आपको लगता है कि बिहार इलेक्शन के लिए इसका कोई इम्पैक्ट?
मुझे नहीं लगता।